Hello guys, this is MattBCBJ here, and today I'm reviewing the Numberblock's Annual 2022. Today, I'm reviewing the Numberblock's Annual 2022. This one is featuring the Numberblocks up to 100, right here. So let's take a look inside. So it starts out with this good picture here. You've got every Numberblock from 1 to 100 here. Got some new ones like 28, 31, 26, and even 55. See, look how big 55 is. You have to write, this book belongs to you. You have to write your name there. Okay. You've got the contents here. This will show you which pages there are and what they're for. What's on all the pages. So here's the first page here. So on this side of the annual, it will show you the Numberblocks from 1 to 5. Show you some cool facts about them. Then got an activity here. This is Roundup. 4 does not like round things. How many of each of these round things can you find in the scene? So you have to tick them when you spot them. They've got some scamplings here. So you have to see how many there are. You have to put them in the little boxes here. Like how many blues, reds, oranges, yellows, and greens there are. These are silly stamps. And did you know here that 4 has a pet called Squarey? And then you got songs. So you have to finish the names here for each song and words. And they got who sang it. So you have to put the number here. Or you can guess them in below the page. Who sang it. And then you got the terrible twos. So I'll call you some cool facts about them too. 2 blocks each. They have masks that match their shoes. Being cheeky and making trouble. And did you know that 4? The terrible twos can actually be 4. Because 2 plus 2 equals 4. Which is the same. And now they've played a trick on 5. They took one of her blocks away. You have to write the answer to get it back. Or you can look at the answer on page 26. No, it's actually 66. Yep. And then you go, who has jumped the highest? So this is how high. So how many blocks is it high up? You have to guess the number here in the right boxes. And then you got another story page here. And this is the Numberblocks Express. All aboard the Numberblocks Express. Numberblock 5 is ready for an adventure. So she has to get to the train before it hits the end of the line. Then you got high 5. Which of each following add up to 5? You have to count the fingers here to complete the sums. And then you got Numberblocks 6, 7, and 8. More facts about them. Then you got Magic Mirror. Numberblock 1 sees another 1 in the Magic Mirror. What does 2 1s equal? Count them. So, you've got 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now it's your turn. You have to complete these sums here. Like 2 plus 2 would make 4. 2 lots of 4 can make 8. And 3 plus 3 makes 6. Then you go about Numberblock 9 and Numberblock 10. Show you a cool sum with these two. You can make 5 plus 4 equals 9. And 2 lots of 5 can be 10. Then you have to write which numbers here can equal 10. Then you have to color the blocks here to show which number blocks can help us on the mission, the space race. And then you got a story here about 0. So this is the first time that we meet Numberblock 0 here, which just has her numbering and a cute smile. And then which equals 0. So you have to complete the sums here. Write the answers there too. Then you got 3 in a row. So it's a bit like tic-tac-toe. You have to get 3 in a row like this, or even this. Then you have to draw lines here, and also have to put the right numbers in the boxes, like how many there are. Have to draw lines to them, to the correct numbers. And then you got 6 plus 2, that would be 8. So that's matching maths. And then you got Big Tum, his big fluffy tummy. So I'll show you the cool facts about him here. He also likes to gobbling up numbers, number blocks, and making puzzles with sequences with the number blocks. Big Tum can hide lots of number blocks in his tummy. So you can guess which one he has swallowed. That'll be Numberblock 4 because you can see the speech bubbles here. That's the color of Numberblock 4. You have to try these sums here, like who has Big Tum swallowed now? So that one would be 3, that would be 7, and that would be 4. Then you got all about odd numbers and even numbers. So it's like when number blocks stand 1 block on top, they're called odd numbers. And the ones with flat tops, they're called evens. So you can see how they look like down here. Then you also got about 11, 12, 13, and 14. Then you got another story page, and this is the wrong number. So this is like when Numberblock 1 has to solve 9's case. He thought he went into his room. He thought all his stuff was been taken away, but he actually went into the wrong apartment. Then you got Guess Who. Can you help Detective 1 work out these Numberblocks? Who these Numberblocks are? You have to write the numberings here. Then you got about 15 and 16. Show you some cool sums with them too. Then you got Sharing is Caring. Welcome to the land of the Les. Can you share these 12 gems equally between these 4 treasure chests? So that would be 4 lots of 4. Then you got Fact File about Square Club. So it's only squares here. Show you about no round things. They are all square numbers and having square parties. So you can see there's 1, 4, 9, and 16. Then you got Square Search. So you have to find the ones with 4 sides and 4 corners. Then you got Balancing Bridges. So you have to find the same number block that matches here to complete the bridge. 15 equals 15. So to complete these ones here, like 12, we'll go here. 12 equals 12. And then you have to add 5 here to make 15. So it'll be, again, 15 equals 15. And then to make 14, you will get 10 and 4. And that makes 14. And then you got Two Land. Get ready for a magical adventure into Two Land with the Whatiffer. So this is like the first time we'll meet the Whatiffer, who's just round and has no face, but still talks. Then you got Imagine That. The Whatiffer is making 5s fall from the sky. What will the number blocks below become when 5s land on them? Have to write the numbers here to find out. Then you got about 17 and 18. And then you got 3 paths. So you have to complete one's big adventures here. Like 1 plus 3 will be 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And who's behind the tree? Like 6 plus 4, that will make 10. They also go about the Blocky Mountain. And then the desert too. Have to complete all of them. Then you got Super Rectangles. So I'll show you all about them here. Like, look at us. We'll be amazed. We all have rectangle rays. I'm a special type of rectangle. I'm a square. I'm 3 blocks by 4 blocks. I'm also 4 blocks by 3 blocks. And you have to circle the one which is a rectangle. This one. Draw it in this space so you can draw different rectangles here, like these two. That's the rectangle grid. Then you go all about Octonaughty, who battles against Octoblock. Show you the cool facts about him here too. And Octonaughty can become 4 terrible 2s. And then who am I? Octonaughty has taken off the numberlings on the number blocks. You have to write the correct ones to put them back. Then you got true or false. So you have to tick, or false. So you have to write a tick or an X here, like if it's true or false, to play. So like 1 is a square, like 4 and 16, that'd be true. And then you got like 13 is very lucky, which that's false, because he's unlucky. Then you got about 19, 20, and 25. You have to solve the clues here, which I think you know who it might be. And then help me find my hat before the show starts. So who has the hat? Because it's right here. That's the 10-2's mystery. Then you got all about 30 and 35. This is like a treasure island here. So you have to draw a line from the smallest number block to the largest number block to get the treasure. So it goes like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's how you reach the treasure. Then you got another story page, and this is We're Going on a Square Hunt. So this is the first time where we meet 25, who's a big square number. She's 5 by 5. And then you got special squares. You have to fill in the gaps here, what numbers they are, which is 4, which is like 4 blocks tall, 4 blocks wide, 5 blocks tall, 5 blocks wide. Then you got Blogzilla. Again, all the facts about her. So you see this one means greater than, less than, and equal. That's all the signs you need to know about her. So like this. 5 is greater than 3. See right there? 3 is less than 4, and 4 equals 4, because they're double, they're the same. And then you like have to put and then like have to put the right numbers here to complete the sums. Of course, you've got equal, less, and greater. That's more or less. Then you got about 40. And he also has a pet square block, who's actually an oblong pet called Oblongy. And there's 45, which can be a step squad too. Really giant step squad. Show some cool sums about them too. You have to fill in these sums here as well. Like 45 minus 5 would be 40. And 30 plus 5 would be 35. And try and work out these answers to complete the adjustments. Then try and find out the answers in the scenes. So this is a number search here. And then you got about 50. I am 50. Let's rock. 50 can be made of 5 tens. And then you can fill in the right numbers here. Like it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Then you got all about the 3 threes, which I like disguised as 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. And then 3 divided into 3 equals 3. So that's good. And then you got all about 55 and 60. This is like a number race here. So you have to guess one of them here, like which is greater, 35 or 40? It would be 35. No, it would be 40. Yep. Yep, that's correct. So that's the Speedy Racers. And then you got another story here, and it's What's My Number? Again, this is based on the episode. So you got round 1, round 2, and round 3. You have to guess how many blocks there are, whose house is this, and how many things come on the conveyor belt. Yep, the conveyor belt. And then you got whose is it? So you have to guess the things that belong to each number block. And then you got 70 and 80. So you got 30 here, and 30 could be made up of 3 tens. And that'll be the same here. Have a go. Now it's your turn. 40 is 4 tens. 50 is 5 tens. 80 is 8 tens. And 60 is 6 tens. And then you got about 90. And finally the big one, 100. And then you got number magic. So you have to do some magic here, like 6 flowers plus 4 flowers would equal 10. You can do it like this here. Now it's your go. You have to try the sums here, like how many bees would add up. You have to add up the bees, footballs, and apples. But you have to make them disappear, actually. That's right. And then you got another story page, and this is 1001. This is where number block 1 dreams about bigger numbers, like 10,000, 1,000, and 1 million. You have to think big. Place the number blocks in the correct order, going from smallest to largest. So it'll be 50, 60, 70, and 80. And then got the quiz here. Then got a cool quiz. You have to solve all the questions here. Just like from the previous pages that you did. Which of these number blocks are in the square club? Be this one. Who can do magic tricks using their wand? Be 90. How many tens does 70 split into? 7. Question 4. Squarey is hiding throughout this book. How many times did you find her? Can you transform into... Who can transform into Dino Octoblock? Be 80. Who did the Waterford take on a journey to Two Land? 2, of course. And then who thought their apartment had been robbed in the wrong number story? 9. And then you got all the answers here for the pages. And this is about the parents' guide here for your parents and childs. And then here it says, think big. It's like, think of bigger numbers, because numbers go on forever. Yep. And there's all the number blocks there. And that's it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.